Hey yo, bro, let's see all day. I don't see her, bro. Ano ba? Hey, yo! May kidlat na yun na! Yang! Astigal na! Lalaki ng kidlat, putak! Oh my... Hey, yo! Oh my god. Seriously. Oh! Oh, they're uplaying, They're uplaying, guys. They're uplaying. They're uplaying, guys. They're uplaying. They're uplaying. They... Oh my god. This is September. This will be the baddest day ever. Think that thing. That plane I see, bruh. That plane I see. In they. Holy shit, bruh. That plane, the footage of this thing. This plane has the footage right now, bruh. Let's go, let's go. Oh my fucking days. Let's go, bruh. Dear God. Dear God, bruh. This plane is free. Hey, yo, bro. Yo. There are thunderstorm. In the left, there are another thunderstorm, bro. There are thunderstorm. There are thunderstorm is not doing where to be, bro. Next, this thing is much stronger. Think about that. This big thunderstorm is freaking. I think this thunderstorm is destroying tire wire body, something like that. But it's a Columbus slide, like I said. Overthink about that thing. It's not gonna be close to this thing. This over here is not. This location is not gonna come in here. There are much stronger thing like a much stronger thunderstorm. That thing in the Philippines, in June, probably it can survive. Probably is June. Tornado can gonna span over in the June. In Bisaya is in the Philippines in June. In some Bisaya is sometimes can have a tornado like that. In the oh my god, there are lightning strike, guys. Hey yo, there are lightning strike. There are lightning strike. There are lightning strike. There are lightning strike. Oh. Hey yo, this freaking thunderstorm can destroy something like like this, bro. Like this. Wait. Oh my god, my duck, bro. I ate my duck. And something like a freaking radar. The most thing ever to see. This. Oh my god, there another plane, bro. There another plane. There another plane. There another plane, guys. There another plane. Yeah. Go, bro. Yeah. Probably this thunderstorm is like a Columbus cloud. Kaya sama na thunderstorm and tornado in like I said. Sometimes can sama na supercell like like a tornado, in like a thunderstorm, like that, bro. In some like, nah, bro. This plane is freaking coming that storm, bro. Yo, that plane, bro. That plane, that plane, that plane. That plane is not pretty good, bro. This boat is much dangerous thing as I see. Something, nah, bro. There another plane is not coming there for that thunderstorm. In something like, hey yo, you seeing that plane? No, bro, come on, dear God, help them, bro. Oh, let's see. That bad. It's coming for the thunderstorm, guys. Guys. That plane is coming there. The Columbus Cloud. Oh my God. Dear God. Is help them, God, bro. Sometimes this freaking thunderstorm, like I said. And this now in 6 minutes there are 6 minutes over hey yo, there are lightning strike there's lightning strike Papalinis can destroy the wire. Hey, beautiful. Hey, yo, there another plane. Never. See, be. This Kaok. I am on Kakong. This my homie. I just watching this freaking hey yo! Supercell! You guys see that, bro? That's a supercell, bro? Or not? Probably is Columbus Cloud, bro. I think that's a supercell. What the fuck? Yeah, another supercell. That's a supercell, not a Columbus Cloud is same like that. In X, something like that, nothing like that thing. I just watching that thing, destroy things like that. And sometimes can destroy things. Oh my God, that also big. Big as hell, ba? Big as hell. Nothing like that. Nothing like a monster, bro. I think that a tornado. I think that is can destroy the tornado. Oh, whoa. Now. See the POV, guys. Wow. Now let's go back. I think that's the biggest thing. Yeah. I'm kind of chill for real. Beautiful thing like that. This Columbus Cloud can absolutely nothing for really. Not saying thing like one thing like that. Sometimes in the Cavite, this thing can absolutely destroy a tree in senten a fire, bruh. And like a big things I just not break, bruh. I just not, bruh. This not the big thing, please. Wow, 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 wow. That's good, bruh. Sometimes this thunderstorm not really thing. Alright, this footage is much cooler, I think. See you next time.